Alright, so come home, my dryer knob was broken. Look right there. See the cracks in it? The metal piece was stuck in the knob in the timer. And I went on YouTube and the guy said, "Oh, I wrapped some fishing string around it and a couple drops of super glue." Now, I come up with my own little fix because it's gotta like that. Looked around the garage, experimented, and I found, where's the light? 45 caliber ACP. Fits over that perfect. So, I got my knob, my bullet shell. Look at that nice, tight, snug fit. That ain't gonna work. So what I did is I chucked one of these bad boys in the drill press. Used a piece of hacksaw blade and cut it down. Good as new.